contrast definition, contrast in a sentence, contrast pronunciation, contrast meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of contrast. Contrast. Con-trast. Contrast. Contrast as a noun means the observable difference between two things when compared. Common usages in academic writing: in contrast to, in sharp contrast to, contrast ratio, contrasting opinions. Example sentence, contrast noun. Today feels particularly cold in contrast to the heat wave that hit us last week. The academic writing variation is contrasting, adjective. Those with contrasting political opinions bickered more often over trivial matters as well. Please write a sentence using contrast in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use contrast confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.